Hi, I'm Simon, and today we're going to show you how to test and replace the air duct gasket in an LG refrigerator. The air duct gasket seals the air duct supplying cold air from the freezer into the ice bank compartment. You might need to replace this part if it's torn or damaged. Before we start, take a moment to like and to subscribe to our channel so you will never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to use a putty knife. Also, please remember to keep safety first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it unless you are testing for live voltage. Now, let's get started. The two identical air duct gaskets are located on the hinge side of the left French door. Take a look at the gaskets. Pull on them to check if it separates and replace it if there is any damage. To remove the old gasket, use a putty knife to push in the side of the gasket and then remove it. Here is the old air duct gasket next to the new one. If you already have one, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new gasket, push one side in and press it in so all the side clips are locked in place. Don't forget to plug the refrigerator in or turn the breakers on. Congratulations! You made it! Great job! Make sure to let us know how your testing and repair went. Write to us in the comments below, and if you still don't have the air duct gasket, grab your model number and get it ordered from AppliancePartsPros.com. With tons of videos to help you install them and a huge inventory, we guarantee you great prices and in the most cases delivery in just 2 business days. And please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to never miss out on new helpful repair videos from AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.